Hi friends, hope y'all are doing so well. As we start to close a little bit of a chapter on some of our summer dressing series, we have been talking a lot about how to elevate your outfits, how to make your outfits more elegant and just a bit more sophisticated. And I felt like it would be doing a disservice to the fashion community in general if I did not talk about one very key piece of the puzzle when it comes to putting together beautiful, quality, amazing looks for the summertime. So today's video, as you can tell from the title, is all about how to elevate your outfits with elegant summer accessories. Elegant accessories are a surefire way to really step up your outfit game, especially as we're now in later summer and you feel like you might have been re-wearing or wearing the same outfits over and over and over again, and you are just looking for some inexpensive but easy ways to elevate your outfit. Accessories is where you can really kind of put an emphasis on. Obviously, accessories for the most part can be worn all year long, no matter the season. There are a few exceptions to that rule, which we'll talk about in a moment, but I wanted to talk about the very first category, and that is elevating your outfits with very elegant, beautiful jewelry. Now, this video is very kindly sponsored by a beautiful jewelry brand called Ana Luisa Jewelry, and I'm wearing two of their pieces today, the necklace as well as this bracelet, and then I have a third to show you as well. But just a few little bits about the brand. They are a beautiful, very affordable jewelry company that offers fast and free US shipping. They offer warranties up to 2 years on all of their products. So if you buy something and then a clasp breaks or a bead comes out or something like that, you can very, very easily get a replacement for that. It's also, their gold jewelry is gold plated, but it is a tarnish free, so you don't have to worry about if you're swimming and you're wearing jewelry and you start to get a bit of tarnish on there, or if it reacts poorly with your skin, it's not going to necessarily do any damage to yourself or the jewelry. They have a beautiful selection of high quality but also very affordable and very elegant pieces. So I wanted to kind of showcase 3 of their pieces, why I'm wearing them and how I'm wearing them for the summertime. So first up is this gorgeous gold herringbone chain style necklace called the Ina necklace. And this is, again, a very affordable but beautiful piece to dress up even something as simple as what I'm wearing currently, which is more or less just an elevated version of a t-shirt. So it is a bit of a choker style. It's not long, so you can absolutely wear it with so many different necklines, and it's going to lay so beautifully across your collarbone. It's just really going to emphasize, because it is dainty but still substantial. So it's really going to just elevate your neckline, a beautiful neckline of a top that you're wearing, and just be a very, very gorgeous addition to any of your summer wardrobes. Wear this, like I said, layered and stacked on top of other necklaces with even something as simple as a white t-shirt and denim for a much more elevated look, or you could wear it with a beautiful dress that has an off-the-sleeve shoulder detail or something like that as we go into the rest of the summertime. One thing I did want to mention is that all of their products come in these beautiful reusable pouches that are like a cloth cotton fabric. So they're really, really handy for storing your items or something like that. But this is the second piece of jewelry that I wanted to talk about. And this, I am absolutely in love with cuff style bracelets. They are a gorgeous addition to any sort of outfit, whether it be the most basic white t-shirt and denim shorts outfit all the way up to a wedding guest dress outfit or a formal event outfit for the summertime or the fall time or winter or spring. So this cuff, again, is this tarnish-free, hypoallergenic, gold-plated, beautiful, affordable piece that just honestly fits so well on anybody's wrist. It's adjustable, so it is gorgeous. I have it stacked with the second bracelet that I want to talk about, but the third piece of jewelry. And again, I love the idea of having a bracelet stack. That is such an elegant way to kind of add in a bit of summer whimsy and personality to an outfit by having a beautiful stack of bracelets, whether they be all from the same brand or you have gotten them for different important pieces or events in your life or something like that. I think that in the summertime, it is just such a beautiful way to, like I said, add personality and elevated elegance to any outfit. So these two pieces, these two bracelets, well, all three of them really are, again, from Ana Luisa Jewelry. You can use the link in the description below, as well as the coupon code that I will flash up on the screen for 20% off your first order. And I feel like you could do yourself a favor, buy some long-lasting, beautiful jewelry just to elevate any summer look going into fall and winter as well. The second accessory that is so influential when it comes to creating these beautiful, elegant summer outfits when you have a beautiful closet full of items that you love, but you're just looking to change it up just a little bit, is definitely a handbag. So I would say I am more of a shoe person than a bag person. I actually asked this question on my threads. I should ask it on YouTube communities as well. So go check it out by the time this video is posted. I will do that. I will leave that question. Are you more of a bag person or a shoe person? Answer in the comments below as well. But I would say I am more of a shoe person, but I have recently started falling in love with quality handbags. So this bag was my very first piece that I bought this spring from Pauline, which is a beautiful, not quite designer, but I would say a designer adjacent handbag. And let me tell you, this elevates any outfit you could ever dream of. So again, I have worn it with something as simple as a plain white t-shirt and a pair of denim shorts. Add your beautiful gold jewelry. This has gorgeous gold hardware detailing, so it fits really, really well. It is a very versatile, very structural, gorgeous, beautiful, elegant, elevated, all the words we love to use, handbag. But I will also say that you cannot get more summer chic than a basket bag. We have seen it from everyone from Jane Birkin to name that beautiful celebrity wearing it. And basket bags are just one of the most versatile and classic summer accessories that you could possibly ever have. So do yourself a favor, even go on somewhere like Amazon or Etsy and buy yourself even a $20 or $40 basket bag if you don't have one already, and you will absolutely watch it elevate any single outfit that you ever would dream to wear. The third accessory that makes such a difference in late summer dressing is by far and away a beautiful silk scarf. Now, when I think of a silk scarf, I think of something as elevated as an Hermes scarf. And absolutely, you can most certainly go out and buy yourself a $400 Hermes scarf, or you could buy a vintage one on a resale shop like Vestiaire Collective or Grailed. But you can absolutely find beautiful silk or silk blend scarves that are from gorgeous brands that might not be as elevated and elegant as Hermes, but are still high quality and gorgeous. The thing about a silk scarf is that you don't necessarily have to worry about quality, in the sense that a silk scarf is not going to wear out. Sometimes we do focus on quality on our basic pieces and things like that because we want to wear them often, and so for price per wear, it does make more sense to buy something that is higher quality at a higher price point. A silk scarf, I promise you, if you buy a $20 silk blend scarf that is in the color and style and pattern that you love, you can have that the rest of your life. So a few ways that I love to style silk scarves are as a headband, as a scarf holder in a ponytail. This is such a French way of styling a silk scarf. You can use it around your belt loops as a belt, or just even tie it if you want to create more of a bow. You can add it to your bag, you can add it to your wrist, you could tie it so many different places, even just around a dress, if it doesn't have belt loops, and create kind of a faux belt situation. There are so many uses for silk scarves that add that just kind of elevated elegance to your outfit. They add a bit of color if you're more of a neutral girl and you want some color and some playfulness, but you want to keep your outfits neutral. Again, you don't have to buy a $400 silk scarf. You can buy some of the ones that I will link below in the description that are very, very affordable, but still very whimsical and beautiful, and will add a lot of elevated elegance to your summer outfits. And if you've seen any of my other styling videos before, you will probably notice that I am a lover of hats. I have always felt like I have personally looked very good in hats. I do feel like that most hats suit my face style, and I do think that hats will complement, the right hat will complement most everybody, but some people have to be a bit more selective in the type and style of hats that they wear. But for me personally, I think a hat can absolutely transform an outfit. Again, with something as basic as a tank and denim shorts, it can absolutely elevate whatever outfit you're wanting to put on or style for that day. So some of my favorite hats that I have are baseball hats. I love the juxtaposition of maybe a linen dress with a pair of slides and a baseball hat. I think that that is just chef's kiss, a beautiful combination, especially for a bit more casual, elevated summer look. But obviously a straw hat, a straw fedora, a straw floppy hat or sun hat, even visors, straw visors, these are so big right now and are very that like French Riviera, European going to a beach vibe, which I think is just so elegant and elevated. This is a really, really easy way to style with something, even like a swimsuit cover up as a dress with a big hat can absolutely elevate that outfit. You could even wear it like a swimming suit top with a larger button down over top, add a hat and you're good to go. It adds that just sense of mystery, that je ne sais quoi to an outfit that says, who is this lady? I think I want to get to know her. She looks like has a secret or has a mystery air about her. And I feel like summertime is just the perfect timing because of course hats are so functional as well. You can use them to keep the sun off your face, which is always a good thing. So do yourself a favor if you don't have a kind of classic versatile hat, whether it's a straw hat, sun hat, baseball hat, do yourself a favor. Check out some of my favorite options in the description below and get yourself a beautiful summer hat. And then last but not least, our fifth accessory that we're going to be talking about for elevating any summer outfit. You might think it might be shoes. And I did think about shoes. And I almost wanted to add a sixth bonus category of shoes, but I felt like we all know shoes. We all love shoes. We all know how to kind of style shoes and make them a bit more unique. If you want me to do a summer shoe video haul, something like that, please let me know. I will absolutely do one. I love talking about shoes. However, for this fifth category, I wanted to talk about fragrance. It's only been in the last year or so that I've really gotten into loving and enjoying different fragrances for different seasons. That is largely due in part to a brand called Fern, and I have talked about Fern before on my blog. I will link those articles down below, but they are a seasonal based organic perfumery based in England. They have a beautiful podcast. They only release 4 fragrances a year at the equinoxes and the solstices. So it invites you to become in tune with the season that you are going into. It really is a very organic and natural and beautiful way to get yourself excited about the season and invigorated by whatever the weather is doing, whatever the earth is kind of sharing with us. And I truly believe that there is no more elegant way to dress or to fully have a put together look or even mindset about you than putting on a beautiful outfit, wearing your accessories well, and then finishing off the entire look with a spritz of a beautiful organic fragrance. Now, I'm not one to just kind of buy every fragrance off the shelf. I'm very, very particular in what fragrances I buy. I have a very specific scent palette that I know and love. But a few of the brands that I do love are the Oak Essentials perfumes, the Fern perfumes, fragrances, as well as the Penhaligons. And I will link a few of those down below for you to kind of discover on your own. But again, everybody scent is going to react to fragrances differently, but I would just maybe even try to find a signature scent for the rest of summer. If you're going on a holiday or a vacation before the end of summer, maybe try to find a scent that is going to remind you of a beautiful time on the coast or the mountains or wherever you're going. And I guarantee that that is just going to make your mindset so much more elevated. You're going to feel very intentional about the pieces that you're wearing. You're going to feel beautiful and put together with just a spritz of fragrance as you walk out the door. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope that it was informational and inspirational for you all. Just a quick reminder that if you are looking to shop any of the Ana Luisa jewelry pieces, you can use the coupon code here on screen. It will also be in the description. Use the link in the description to look through their beautiful, affordable pieces and see if any resonate with you and you could add to your jewelry collection. I hope to see you on the next video. As always, please feel free to share any thoughts, any suggestions, any tips of your own in the comments below. Give this video a like, subscribe if you're new, and we'll see you in the next video.